Hi, my name is Muhammad Hazim. Today, our group will be presenting about Dhcp. What is Dhcp? Dhcp is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It's a network management protocol that automatically assigns IP address and other network parameters to each host IP network, thus allowing the network device to communicate. There are several components in Dhcp, which is Dhcp server, Dhcp client, Dhcp relay, IP address pool, subnet, and list. So, how does the Dhcp work? There are 4 steps. The first step is the client send discover packet to the Dhcp server, saying that, "Hey, I'm a new device. I don't have an IP address. Give me IP address." The server will respond with Dhcp offer packet. Here's your IP 192.168.1.100. Client takes the IP address, then send the request message. I'll take the 192.168.100 as my IP address. The server then update the appropriate IP address and other configuration information for your computer. For usage scenario, it can be from initial client connection, usage extension, client connection after reboot, and client disconnection. Advantage of Dhcp: it can reduce IP address conflict, efficient change management, accurate IP configuration of large and even medium size. Network is made much simpler. Disadvantage: Dhcp can be single point of failure in network having only one configured Dhcp server. If user connect to the rogue Dhcp, information sent over that connection can be intercepted or looked at, violating user privacy and network security. If the Dhcp server contains incorrect information, it will automatically deliver to all of your Dhcp client, meaning you may visit to each machine and reconfigure it.